everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing good. You can find some components over here. I just want to explain how to find the positive and negative terminals of these components. First, I'll start with the capacitor. This is a capacitor. By seeing this, you can also find the ratings of this capacitor. See, this is a 10 microfarad capacitor and 63 volts. How to identify the positive and negative terminals of this capacitor? By seeing these pins, one pin is short and one pin is large. The shortest pin is the negative terminal and the longest pin is the positive terminal. So like this you can connect the shortest terminal is the negative terminal and the longest terminal is the positive terminal. And I also have a IC555 timer. In this I just only explain how to find the ground pin and how to connect it. And the pin description will be in my next video. This is the dot you can see. This indicates that this is the ground pin. The pin which is beside this dot indicates that this is the ground pin. From here we will start the descripting the pins. Here we have 8 pins. See. Now we can go to diode. So we will use this diode in our labs. How to find which is a positive terminal and which is a negative terminal. Here this white band indicates that this is a negative terminal. So the terminal which contains white band is a negative terminal and this is a positive terminal. So by seeing this we can say that the upper terminal, by holding this, the upper terminal is a positive terminal and anode. So the white band consisting terminal is a negative terminal or cathode terminal. And also we can also identify the Zener diode here. In this also you can find which is a positive terminal, which is a negative terminal. Here in this you can find one black band. This indicates that this is a negative terminal. The upper thing of this is a positive terminal. So this is the anode terminal and this is the cathode terminal which consisting of black band. Black band terminal is the terminal which is the negative terminal or cathode terminal. Like that you can identify the terminals of Zener diode. And also this is a potentiometer. You can see this is used to apply the variable voltage to DC motors, or if you want to apply in our project the variable voltage, we can easily take the help of this potentiometer. If we rotate this knob, the resistance inside this potentiometer is varying, so that the voltage drop also vary. We know that R equals to V by I, so that V equals to IR. By varying the resistor we can vary the voltage. Here by rotating this knob the internal voltage is varying. Here we have 3 terminals. One is VCC terminal, that means input voltage, and the middle terminal is variable terminal, that means we can apply the variable voltage by changing this terminal, and this is the ground terminal. So by varying this knob you can apply variable voltage to DC motor, or if you want variable supply somewhere in project you can easily take the help of this potentiometer. The rating of this potentiometer is B100K. You can see. Here I have a breadboard. So I just want to explain the connections inside this breadboard and how to connect the series and parallel connections by using this breadboard. You can find here 2 rows here, and these are columns. You can consider these things are these vertical lines as columns and these horizontal lines as rows. In these rows are short circuited. So by knowing that thing we can consider these are 2 terminals. First row you can use as positive terminal and the entire second row you can use as a negative terminal or ground terminal. Here you can find, here this is separately short circuited and this is separately short circuited. There is no connection between this and this. So only the row is short circuited up to here and this row is short circuited up to here. And here we have the terminals. These are the vertical terminals. These are short circuited. Here the vertical means the columns are short circuited. Here also the rows are short circuited up to here, and again from here these rows are short circuited separately. So this is the positive terminal you can use, or negative terminal you can use. Any row you can use as any terminal. Either one is positive or another is negative. And I have 2 resistors. See. These are the resistors. I already said that these vertical columns are short circuited. That means in parallel connection, two end points are same. Here I am connecting like this. You can identify. And next I am connecting this in same vertical column like this. That means these 2 points are same and these 2 points are same. Now from here, for one terminal you can apply positive and another you can apply negative. This is the parallel connection. I already said only the vertical lines are short circuited in this. So the one of the terminals of these two resistors are connected in one vertical column, and again the another two terminals are in one vertical column, and I have taken one terminal as positive from the vertical column, same vertical column, and another terminal I have given the positive supply and this is the negative supply. You can consider like this. We can connect two resistors in parallel if you want series connection. We already know only these vertical lines are connected. You can see here this is a series connection. I already said that only we have the connections in vertical column. Here this is one terminal, positive terminal is connected to one terminal of resistor, and the end of that resistor, the another resistor terminal is connected, and this is the ground terminal you can take. So this is the series connection of two resistors. Like that you can add how many resistors you want, you can add. Okay, thank you for supporting me. If you like my video, just like my video.